The stone where David for Bible use scatter the face of Goliath. Now in Manchester United use scatter Everton head yesterday. Everton we been think say na Amorim be the jagaban of Manchester United suffer better shock as Michael Carrick boys jaga their face. The prayer point where Chelsea and Liverpool fans been raised yesterday enter voicemail as Manchester United make their face blow. Everton yesterday nearly turned themselves to Arsenal as them begin to throw mixers from corner kicks. But Manchester United showstopper Sene Lamen self no gree as he stand like wall of Jericho when no gree for them flat. Manchester United manager Michael Carrick when the verse make Everton swallow all type of fufu through their Longino striker Benjamin Sesko. This boy don't send message give Michael Carrick say him name no be Ben Sesko but Benjamin Sesko. As the matter be like this, Manchester United don't they eye touch sports as then they wait for Aston Villa to make more. So that everywhere goes stew for Manchester United ahead of next season. Wait see be your take about my take on this subject. Say you feel say Manchester United manager Michael Carrick feel move Manchester United to that third spot, and say you feel say Chelsea, Liverpool and Aston Villa no go catch up on Manchester United for this top 4 matter. Drop your take about my take in the comment section. I beg no forget to like, repost, share and comment on this video. Now they because they go viral. Thank you.